So we're here with Neville Powell, Aberystwyth Town's manager, after a very workmanlike 1-0 win at Llandudno. Nev, how are you feeling after that?
Very pleased, Thomas. Very pleased. From my aspect of it, the last two games we've kept 2 clean sheets, and when that happens, you're going to have a chance to win football matches. And to be fair, the lads they've worked hard today. It wasn't a great game with the conditions. There was swirling wind out there. Obviously, we were defending it first half, and we had it second half. But it was one of them games where one goal was always going to win it. And as you say, when we got that penalty, you want one player on it, Declan, and he's done it. He's done the business. It's a big 3 points for us, but that's all it is. We've got another huge game on Friday at Llandudno, which will be probably tougher than today's game. So we'll take nothing for granted, and it's just nice and pleasing to get the 3 points. And as you say, the 2 clean sheets from my point of view has been outstanding. And obviously Ryan Walcott and Alan Goodall have got formed an understanding there. Terry McCormack's come in as well, so we've got some experienced boys in there. Wes right back, Steph. They were outstanding today, and they could have come away from home. We've got our first away win on the board, which was really important, and a clean sheet. And you look all over the park. Yeah, everyone was at 7s, 8s, 9s today. They all put a workman-like performance in, and we've got what we deserve, because I thought we were the better side overall. I thought we deserved at least a point, if not the 3. So good day. We'll enjoy it, and as you say, we'll move on to next week.
Yeah, and I suppose the penalty, some might say it looked like a penalty from where I was, but that's the 3rd time now in 2 games that's happened to Ashruan, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. He's due a penalty, isn't he? And I thought it was a penalty because he was down our side, and the refs got the decision right. And as you say, Declan missed his last one, but he was there to take it, and he's put a great penalty in. And as you say, the lads have defended the last 9-10 minutes there, and they put a good solid performance in, Thomas. And it's not an easy place to come, and they're a wounded animal. They got beat at TNS and they're down the bottom, so it was a big game for them. And to come away with 3 points before the game, we said we'd be happy with a point, but we took the 3, which is excellent. And as you say, we'll put it aside now, and we'll move on to the big game on Friday.
Yeah, and have you been working on the defensive side? Because it looks so from the sides that the lads are really organised now in the way that they're defending.
I think Alan Goodall coming in, he's an organiser. You don't play 400 league games if you don't know how to organise your defence. So, we point him in the right direction in training. But obviously, the lads have got to deliver on the pitch, and it's fantastic to have an experienced player next to Ryan Walcott, because you've seen Ryan's performance today. He was outstanding, and then you've got 2 full-backs of Wes and Steph Edwards. It's a good back 4, and as you say, we brought an experienced goalkeeper in with Terry, and he's kept us in the game at times there today when he needed to,
Yeah.
So it's pleasing. If we get clean sheets, we'll get points. And we said half-time, the minimum we come out of here today is with a clean sheet. And the lads done that, and more often than not, we're going to pinch one when you got players like Ryan Edwards, Ashruan, Rio Armadi in there. And, you've got lads that can hurt teams, and it's a great win for us.
Fantastic. Well, enjoy your weekend, Nev. I know you like it in Llandudno, so enjoy your evening.
Cheers, Thomas.
Thank you.